cough during winter is very common, but for few of us, it lasts for a long time. Some patients hear a wheezing noise from their chest. It's a musical note that happens due to the air passage through inflamed airways or through secretions. Wheezing doesn't happen in everybody. It mostly happens in people who are suffering from allergic asthmas, bronchitis, or pneumonias. Such people also feel heaviness in the chest. They feel a lot of secretions. When they lie down, when they walk fast, or when they try to sleep, they feel that there is a musical note that is coming from their chest. But the good thing is that it is very much treatable. Using nebulizers is very helpful and can quickly improve your symptoms. So if anybody in your family or friends suffer from such a symptom, please do visit your nearest doctor and ask them for a nebulizer. Thank you.